Hello there guys and girls, I'm back. You know what? Nev Campbell and the rest of the cast didn't fail me for this movie, but there's no poster in here. Why is it like that? Even Standy. So we're gonna make some reviews. Fascinating, splendid, terrific, horrific, terrifying, scary. You will shout at the top of your lungs. You know what? It's some kind of a lots of twist that they gave for this movie. You know what, guys and girls? I'm very good on guessing game. I know who is the killer, but at some point they will make you think and make you puzzle, because when the killer comes and then they will twist like a kind of an idea that, oh no, I think that's the one, but you know, they will make you puzzle and they will make you crazy think of, they will not give you the satisfaction that you already knows the killer, but you will have to work on it. You will have to figure it out much more at the back of your mind. So it's very kind of a genius director, Kevin Williams. That's why, and this is his debut directorial job. And Sydney doesn't change at all. Nev Campbell, she's still the same fighter. The way she moves, the way she fight the killer or killers. Yeah. And then Gale Weathers is awesome. Jasmine Savoy also great. And you know what I really love also in this movie, that the victims doesn't make themselves to be killed. They fight to have their lives intact and to have the killer got down also. And I love the chasing, I love the running. And you know what, I couldn't really believe that there's a kind of this idea on my mind that, you know, if I'm gonna tell you this, it might be a spoiler, but there's a one of the character that I'm thinking that she's also she is also